And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to find Facebook users location. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So finding someone's location on Facebook without their explicit consent is limited for privacy reasons. However, there are some few tricks and tips that can help you get their general location if it's publicly shared or voluntarily provided. So simply tap on the Facebook app and go to any of their profiles. So once you're in their profiles, simply check if the user has made their location public. Simply go to their Facebook profile and go to the About section and check under the places they have lived. So if they have shared it, you can simply check their location or check their posts and check-ins. So the next method is if they have tagged the location in photos, status updates, or check-in, that gives you a clue. Simply look at the tags they have used and look at places they have tagged on their recent posts. So by doing this, you can simply find Facebook users' location. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.